行李正在进入主传送带，请您不要离开。
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I've done my quarantine and I'm now out and free. So what you guys might not have expected is that the first thing I do after I got out from quarantine is flying away from Shenzhen. Today is actually the second day after I finished my quarantine. Yesterday I took a bit of time out to look around in Shenzhen and had some great food as well. But today I have to fly to Shanghai, you know, just for a very short trip. After being trapped in Hong Kong for so long, I guess I need to travel a little bit, you know, have a little bit of chill time. And Shanghai is actually in very good condition right now, you know. See, I heard a lot of people are not even wearing masks, you know, there's 0 case there, so let's see. Just bought on the plane and I'm on my way to Shanghai. See you guys in Shanghai. The flight was delayed due to bad weather, which made it a 4 hours flight. God damn it. Oh, it's just landed in Shanghai. The airport is pretty empty, but I've just got into a taxi and now we're on our way to get our dinner. You know, first meal in Shanghai. Got off taxi and arrived in the mall in central Shanghai. And I'm about to have my first meal, which is hot pot. Alright fellas, it's been a long day and I just arrived at the hotel. It's a vintage Shanghai style hotel. It's pretty delicate on the outside. It's pretty, you know, and I can't wait to see what it looks like inside. Alright guys, let's check out the room. Got this one on the second floor. Right. Hey, pretty delicate. Pretty delicate. It's tiny though. Tiny, tiny. Check out the view. What kind of views I got here? Jungle view. Rainy. This is the second day of my Shanghai trip and now I'm at a brunch place to get my first meal of the day. Alright, so after brunch we came out for a walk at this district. It's called Shanghai district and it's full of just art stuff, you know, this cultural stuff. That's the thing about Shanghai, right? I guess in Shenzhen's all about business, about finance, technology, but it's different here. You get to see a lot more cultural stuff, music, art, you know, statues, architecture. That's what this place is about. Apparently there's a famous ice cream store on the street. It's pretty hidden. Oh. Is that gelato? Handmade ice cream. Well, I'm not in the mood for sweet stuff though, so I guess I'll just move on and go somewhere interesting. So I'm at this particular spot where it reminds me a lot of how UK looks like. You see these buildings. It looks like city centre in, you know, Manchester or York, doesn't it? The restaurants, department stores, buildings. Yeah, it makes me miss the UK. Alright, I came to this store called RMA. It's actually a duty-free cosmetic and makeup, skincare, this kind of store. But what makes it unique is the industrial renovation. And you know, it looks like a Tafopo, right? That sells cheap stuff, but actually all the stuff in there are pricey. Let's check it out. The traffic is crazy here. It's way too freaking packed. I'm gonna get out of here. Look at the people. God, I'm so not used to it, man. So not used to it. We're heading for dinner. You know, it still feels kind of crazy that majority of the people here don't wear masks. It's a very big conflict, actually. You know, coming from Hong Kong, where everybody on the street wears masks, it still doesn't make me feel safe enough to walk on the street without a mask, though. You know. So I just had dinner, but I forgot to film it just now because it was a really quick one, and I was just completely focusing on talking to my friends, so I forgot to film. And now I'm out on the street again. So I'm actually at the People's Square of Shanghai right now. And I came here for a specific reason, which is the biggest Nike store in Asia. As a big Nike fan, I cannot wait to go in there. I've seen a lot of people talk about it online, and then, but I actually haven't been here myself, so it's gonna be one wicked place to visit. Let's go. Let's. Fellas, I think I'm done with the place. There's actually nothing too special about this place, you know. So size-wise, it's big. It's about the same size as the London one. It's just pretty massive, but the stuff that they have in here aren't just it's just nothing really special, you know. This light is sick. Well, here I am at my last destination of the day, I guess. It's the biggest Starbucks here. This place is gigantic. You know, lots of my friends told me I should come here, so here I am, you know, check this place out. So I ordered this special edition mojito. It's actually tea, not an alcohol. It tastes very much like mojito as well. It's amazing. This third day and my last day in Shanghai. In the afternoon I'll be renting a car and hit the road to Hangzhou. Now it's my first time there as well, so I cannot wait. Right now I'm just gonna grab lunch, you know. Yeah, anyway, at this place called Green and Safe.